Yeah, he was looking for me, so that's why he coming back to JP.
This is Jefferson Parish Fire Department. Yes, sir. Look how beautiful this truck is. Look how shiny and pretty. You already know. Look, 138. Just look at it. It's just such a beautiful engine. Like I never saw Jefferson Parish Fire Department before. Look, he's on the grill. You know, like yeah. How you doing? Look, such a beautiful thing. Oh my gosh. Oh God. My God, just look at this symbol. Like, look at it. Like, look how precious it is. Like, you know, like, look, just look. Look at the flames. All that. Like, the water pipes and stuff. Like, so beautiful. Like, just look at it. Just look. I'm just in a fire department. Like, look how precious it is. Like, look at the things. Oh my God! Just look at this. Like, you see it? Like, look. And this is the map. All the addresses and streets and stuff. And JP Fire Department. This a coat when they go on a fire. This a jacket, the boots, the pants, the hat. You know.
In New Orleans, the captain fights fire. Here, lieutenants fight fire with them.
American flag. This Chief 507 of New Orleans. I'm an assistant Chief 507.
They how you doing? Yeah, I'm McConnell brother.